A reboot audition show that gives unknown singers another chance to shine on stage. Sing Again is back with season 4. Contestants perform without revealing their names, using numbers instead. And over the years, the show has discovered incredible talent like Lee Seung-yoon, Lee Mu-jin, and Hong Is-hak, solidifying its reputation as a legendary audition program. Right now, applications for Sing Again 4 are in full swing, and I, for one, cannot wait to discover what hidden gems we will see this season. Hi, this is your Culture Crunch DJ, Soo Jung, and for today's tune-in time, we have a very special guest indeed, an artist who lit up the stage on Sing Again 3. Before he lights up our very own Culture Crunch stage, let's have a listen to a song from Lee Seung-gi, who was of course the host of Sing Again. This is 되돌리다, Return.
알 수 없는 그 계절의 끝 나는 너를 사랑하고 있던 걸까 어딘가에 우리 함께 했던 그 많은 시간이 손 닿을 듯 어제 일처럼 되돌려지곤 해 순간마다 네가 떠올라 조용히 낮게 울리던 그 목소리 봄을 닮은 햇살 같았던 너의 모습까지 언제나 넌 나의 매일을 환하게 비췄어 순간마다 네가 떠올라 조용히 낮게 울리던 그 목소리 봄을 닮은 햇살 같았던 너의 모습까지 아주 작은 기억들조차 여전히 선명해 알 수 없는 그 계절의 끝 나는 너를 사랑하고 있던 걸까 어딘가에 우리 함께 했던 그 많은 시간이 손 닿을 듯 어제 일처럼 되돌려지곤 해 순간마다 네가 떠올라 조용히 낮게 울리던 그 목소리 봄을 닮은 햇살 같았던 너의 모습까지 언제나 넌 나의 매일을 환하게 비췄어 순간마다 네가 떠올라 조용히 낮게 울리던 그 목소리 봄을 닮은 햇살 같았던 너의 모습까지 아주 작은 기억들조차 여전히 선명해 우리 어디쯤 있을까 수많았던 기억들을 되돌려봐 우리 행복했던 걸까 알 수 없는 마음들만 제자리에 남아 순간마다 네가 떠올라 조용히 낮게 울리던 그 목소리 봄을 닮아 햇살 같았던 너의 모습까지 아직도 난 너를 않아 우린 어디쯤 있을까 우리는 행복했던 걸까
The background music to my life, the playlist of my life. Feast your ears on the live performances and stories of musicians who just can't imagine a life without music. This is Tune In Time. And our guest today is a singer-songwriter with a deeply emotional voice. Please welcome 호림님. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 안녕하세요.
안녕하세요. 저희 소개 한번 부탁드립니다.
네, 안녕하세요. 저는 소울 뮤지션 호림입니다. 만나서 반갑습니다. Hello everyone. I'm Horim, soul musician from Seoul. Thank you for having me today.
It's so good to have you. And yes, I
Yeah.
think soul really summarizes everything about you. Your voice, your music, even just you as a person. 저희 이제 방송 전에도 살짝씩 대화를 나눴는데
맞아요.
그냥 소울이 너무 풍부하신 분 같으세요.
너무
I
감사합니다.
just feel like you have such a beautiful soul. I feel it from here.
you. Soul is everything. You
Yes,
know?
it is. It is. Well, it's wonderful to have you. You've been in
Yeah.
the studio before as well, right?
네, 그 다른 프로그램 플레이리스트 할 때 여기 스튜디오에 왔었는데 벌써 1년이 지나서 이 자리에 오니까 또 되게 기분이 새롭네요.
Well, the studio welcomes you back too.
Yeah.
So you make yourself comfortable. Now, you made a name for yourself on season 3 of Sing
맞아요.
Again.
Right.
And they're busy recruiting contestants for the next season 4 right now.
맞아요.
So having experienced the competition firsthand, would you say, I mean, what was the best thing about it? What was the biggest appeal?
일단 싱어게인 3는 그 다른 프로그램들보다는 그 가수들이긴 하지만 가수들의 어떤 노래를 음악으로 봐주는 것 같아요. 그래서 그러니까 단순히 좀 스킬풀한 것보다는 그 어떤 as a musician으로서 그 스토리텔링이라던가 그리고 어떤 스킬풀한 것 넘어서 그 사람의 애티튜드나 이런 컬러풀한 부분에서도 그런 것들을 무대로 잘 보여주는 오디션 같아서 저도 그래서 사실 지원한 거고 같이 참여하면서는 그 참가자 가수 동료들 개개인의 무대가 음악적으로 어떻게 이렇게 지켜져 왔는지를 라운드마다 보여주는 그런 오디션이라고 생각해요.
Oh, wow. What a great answer. So, obviously, everyone's very good at singing. They're very skilled. But the best thing about Sing Again, Horim says that they don't just see you as singers, they see you and class you as musicians. So, obviously, it's about the vocal skills, but it's also about the person's attitude, about their musical color. And as Horim interacted with the other contestants,
Yeah.
he was able to sort of get a feel for how they'd lived their lives, how their careers had progressed over the years as well. Oh, that's such an interesting point. And you made it into the top 10.
Yeah.
Congratulations.
Lucky guy.
Wow, very talented guy, first of all.
감사합니다.
Oh, there's a picture of you. Is that backstage?
Yeah, this is one round.
Round one?
네, 라운드 1 대기할 때 이제 참가자들이랑 얘기하는 중에 이제 동료가 찍어준
Oh,
라운드예요.
so while they were waiting, another contestant took this picture. It doesn't seem like a round 1 picture. It seems like you've been there forever. 뭔가
약간
되게
지금도 이제
한 삼,
지금처럼
사
편하게.
네. Great soul, great soul. Did you ever expect to get that far to the top 10?
전혀 예상하지 못했고 근데 이제 TV로 이제 이 오디션을 접했을 때는 시청자로
네.
그때는 그 탑10의 무대가 멋질 수밖에 없었던 게 이게 이제 시스템의 그 오디션의 시스템상 자기 이름을 공개할 수 없었거든요.
네,
근데
네.
탑10에 이제 자기 이름이 공개되고 자기가 갖고 있는 노래를 처음 부를 수 있는 시간이 있어요. 명명식이라는 시간이 있는데
그러니까 자기 노래를.
네, 자기 노래를 부르면서 저는 사실 뭐 넘버 뭐 16이 아니고 사실 호림이었다 이거를 발표하는 라운드가 탑10 무대에 있어서 그래서 그냥 시청자로서는 와 저 라운드에서 내 이름으로 내 노래를 하면 너무 좋겠다 이런 바람이 있었지만 막 그걸 목표로 했지만 당연히 그걸 할 수 있을 거란 생각은 못했고 이제 참가하는 와중에는 그냥 한 라운드 한 라운드 좀 뭐라 그럴까 미스테이크 없게 클린한 무대를 하는 게 목표다라고 생각해서 그렇게 했었죠.
Oh, wow. So he didn't expect to get to the top 10, although he definitely hoped, because the top 10 is, once you get into the top 10, is when you can put down your contestant number and actually reveal your name, and you get to sing your own songs as well. So it was something that he aimed to do, that he didn't expect to do.
Yeah.
But that was his goal. And in order to get there, he just tried to make the most of every single performance up until that point. I don't know. To me, it's not surprising though. 저는 뭔가 전혀 놀랍지 않은 것 같아요. 탑10 되신 게.
너무 감사합니다.
처음 목소리를 들을 때부터
네.
와, 저 방송 전에도 말씀드렸지만 뭔가 남자 조스톤 버전
오.
같은 느낌이 저 또
예.
조스톤 너무 좋아했어가지고
와.
Guys, when you hear his voice later, for anyone who hasn't heard Horin's voice before, you are in for a treat.
와,
Think
너무 감사합니다.
male Joss Stone, so much soul,
Yay.
so much
There's an honor.
in his voice. I
Yeah.
love it. I love it. I cannot wait. But let's find out more about you first.
Yeah.
So, for anyone who's thinking about applying for season 4 of Sing Again, would you
Yeah.
recommend it?
사실 이미 제 뮤지션 친구들 동료들한테 많이 추천하고 있어요.
Oh, you already have.
왜냐면은 이 무대를 자기 색깔로 준비한다면 그 부분은 이제 미디어기 때문에 뭔가 바뀌어서 나가고 왜곡돼서 나가고 이럴 걱정하지 말라고 그냥 무대는 정말 준비한 만큼 재밌게 색깔 있게 나올 거니까 그것들을 잘 준비해서 꼭 좀 알렸으면 좋겠다고. 왜냐면 저도 정말 이 프로그램 덕분에 좀 인생이 바뀐 느낌이라서 그래서 그런 것들을 잘 전달해서 많이 나갔으면 좋겠어요. 제 친구들도.
So Horim has already recommended to a bunch of his friends that they go and apply for Sing Again 4. And you know, some people aren't too keen on going out on a TV broadcast, and you never know how it's going to be edited, etc. But Horim recommends just don't worry about that. Just do the best you can, prepare as much as you can. And for him, it was a life-changing experience. And so he wholeheartedly recommends
맞아요. That's right.
for anyone who has that dream
Yeah.
and is watching this program as well. Sing
Yeah,
Again 4
definitely.
applications are open right now.
JTBC는 아니지만
So Horim, I totally assumed you know you were talking about revealing your name on the program. I
Yeah.
totally assumed Horim was a stage name, but it's actually your real
네.
name, right?
It sounds like stage name.
It
but
does
it's-
sound like
it's
a
my
stage
real
name.
Yeah.
So is there a special meaning behind the name?
일단은 처음에 스테이지 네임을 생각할 때 뭔가 pronunciation 발음이 그냥 뭔가 어트랙티브하게 들렸다고 생각을 했고 그리고 뭔가 호림이라는 발음이 그냥 되게 캐주얼하면서도 좀 스페셜한 느낌도 있었던 것
맞아요.
같고 그래서 사실 당시에 그리고 딱히 엄청난 예명을 제가 생각하진 않았어요.
아, 네네.
그리고 또 제 이름을 이제 한자 뜻이 뭐냐면은 이게 숲을 빛나게 하다 약간 이런 뜻이 있는데 그게 또 꿈보다 해몽이긴 한데 시간이 지나서 지금 생각해 보면 제가 지금 활동하는 터전에서 많은 아티스트 분들과 이렇게 재밌는 일을 꾸리는 거 보면은 그 숲을 빛내는 어떤 의미가 또 다르게 다가오긴 하는 것 같아요.
Oh, that's beautiful.
Yeah.
Well, he liked just how Horim is easy to pronounce. It rolls off the tongue very nicely.
Yeah.
It's also quite a unique name.
Yeah.
But most importantly, he just didn't think of a different
Yeah,
name.
yeah.
I mean, his parents already gifted him with a
Yeah.
beautiful, special, unique name, so why change it? But also the Chinese characters behind the name means lighting up the forest, which is
Yeah.
so beautiful. And he thinks, looking back on his career now, it really is. It sort of summarizes what you've been doing in the
맞아요.
music industry, collaborating with lots of different artists, and being a light and shining up our worlds with your voice and your music.
Yeah.
All right.
This is all.
Yeah. All right. So talking about your music, last month, I think you released a digital single
Yeah.
called Hi Again. And I heard it was inspired by the Sing Again tour. Yep. There's the album cover right there.
Yeah.
So this was written through your experiences of the tour.
네, 맞아요. 처음에는 사실 이 싱글의 어떤 피아노 루프 이런 거는 코로나 기간 동안 이미 갖고 있었는데 그래서 멜로디는 사실은 좀 생각하고 있었던 편이었는데 가사를 어떻게 표현할지 좀 고민하고 있다가
네.
이제 저희가 작년 3월에 싱어게인 탑10이 전국 투어를 돌았었거든요.
네.
근데 또 굉장히 특별하게 다가왔던 게 저희 탑10 멤버 모두들한테 삶이 바뀌는 이 여정이 이미 방송을 통해서 시작됐었기에 이제 투어가 끝나고 나면 이 멤버들한테 분명 헤어짐이 있을 텐데 어떻게 say goodbye를 하면 좋을까 이런 게 되게 모티베이션이긴 했어요. 근데 그러다가 이제 작년 4월에 제 가장 친한 친구 중에 한 명이 이제 노래를 굉장히 좋아하는 친구가 이제 세상을 떠나게 돼서 그래서 이게 처음에는 단순히 약간 say goodbye 정도의 어떤 인사였는데 그때 뭐랄까 좀 친구의 일을 통해서 어떤 누군가를 잃고 로스트하고 이별하는 것이 좀 저한테 실제로 다가오게 됐어요. 그래서 그런 부분들이 이제 가사를 마무리하고 노래 녹음을 하는 과정에서 잘 들어갔던 것 같아요.
So it's a very personal song to you.
Yeah.
So Horim had the basic piano loop for a couple of years, even during COVID, but he was trying to figure out what to do with the lyrics. And while on tour, and thinking about his fellow top 10 contestants, they all went through this life-changing journey together.
Yeah.
And he was a bit worried about, the end, which would inevitably come, that time when they would have to say goodbye to each other.
Yeah.
And so he had some ideas from there. But then last April, sadly, a friend of Horim's passed away.
Yeah.
And so he was faced with these very deep feelings of loss and regret. And so that really pushed him to finish up this song. And
That's right.
yeah. Let it shine in the world. It's such a beautiful song as well.
감사합니다.
The music video is very, very emotional too.
Yeah.
And I had a very special artist helped
Yeah.
take part. Should we
Yeah.
have a look?
마음 지칠 때
Yeah, that's me.
혼자일 때 아무리 너둘이 남겨봐도 듣지 않을 때 아무 곳에 날
It's
Yeah.
so beautiful. We only heard about 10 seconds, but
Oh, thank you so much.
it
This
already
video
touched
is
me.
on my YouTube channel, yeah. You know?
Go check it out, guys. It's just very emotional. I mean, we talked about your loss, but it also gives this feeling of hope as well, I think,
Yeah.
through both the piano and your voice and through the lyrics as well. And I heard you collabed with a fellow Sing Again contestant on the
Yeah.
second verse of this song.
Yeah,
Is that
yeah.
right? Tell us about that experience.
사실 이제 원래는 이 곡을 준비하는 과정에 있어서 이제 같이 싱어게인 3에 참가했던 임지수 양하고 처음에는 듀엣곡을 생각하고 만든 작업이긴 했어요. 그래가지고 제가 이제 지수가 2절 벌스를 가사를 써줬는데
네.
그래가지고 일단 나머지 부분에 대한 스토리랑 곡을 들려주고 또 지수가 그 부분을 또 불러주고 그리고 나서 이제 저기 지수가 있네요.
네.
그래서 함께 이제 2절 가사를 또 지수가 써줘서 지수가 같이 사실 부른 버전도 따로 제 채널에 있긴 해요. 그래서 또
네.
궁금하신 분들은 또 들어봐 주시면 좋을 것 같고 그리고 당시에 사실 이 곡을 그 정말 친구 사건이 있었을 때 또 작업을 하고 있었는데 그래서 지수가 사실 제가 쓴 부분을 불러서 보내줬을 때 그때 되게 마음이 좀 힘들었었거든요. 근데 또 지수 부른 버전을 들으면서 되게 좀 위로가 또 많이 됐었던 것 같아요. 그래서 또 곡이 사실은 누군가를 잃고 슬픈 내용이긴 하지만 좀 슬프다기보다는 헤어지기 전에 같이 있었던 시간을 더 따뜻하게 그리게 되잖아요. 그래서 그런 부분에 대해서 얘기를 했었고 그래서 지수가 되게 좋은 가사로 함께 작업해줬던 것 같습니다.
That's so beautiful. So Hi Again was actually supposed to be, it started out as a duet song, and the duet version is actually on Horim's channel,
Yeah.
so you can go check that out. But it's very special to Horim because, as we mentioned before, he was going through a very, very rough time. And so when he heard Chisu's version on the verse, he got a lot of comfort from her lyrics and from her voice. And he mentions that the song, it is about loss, but it's not just loss, the sad times. It's a celebration of the times that you did get to spend together. So it's a very, very comforting song. Indeed. I think it's about time we listen to this song. What do you think?
Yeah. 이제 들을 시간인가요?
맞습니다. 라이브로 Hi Again을 이제 들려주신다고 들었습니다. 그러면은 이 곡을 듣는 청취자분들이 뭔가 어떤 감정을 느꼈으면 좋겠다 이런 부분이 혹시 있으실까요?
사실은 그냥 오히려 아무 생각 없이 일단 들어봐 주셨으면 좋겠어요. 원래 되게 자연 경관이든 되게 자연스러운 것들은 스며들기 마련이니까 뭐 굳이 설명하지 않고 들려드리도록 하겠습니다.
알겠습니다. 그럼 잠시 준비를 해주시고요. Horim says, I asked him if there was any feelings or emotions he would like the listeners to take away, but he'd like you to listen with no preconceptions and just absorb the music and the feeling as well. All right, so while Horim gets ready to sing for us live his latest single, Hi Again, let's quickly check out how you can listen to our show, Culture Crunch. Catch Culture Crunch on Arirang Radio at 11 a.m. KST every day. You can listen to our show via the Arirang Radio application, which you can download from your app store, or watch the programme on Arirang TV. If you're in the Jeju area, tune in to 88.7 in Jeju City, 88.1 in Seogwipo City, or 101.9 in the Daejeong area. If you're in Busan, you can listen from BEFM 90.5, and in the Kijang, Noksan, Cheongwan areas, tune in to 103.3. You can also join us on our YouTube live stream. The channel is Arirang Radio K-pop. And if you miss any of these, don't worry. You can catch the radio rerun at 2 a.m. KST every day. Don't forget, there are exclusive episodes on Saturday and Sunday at 11 a.m. KST only on Arirang Radio. Catch Culture Crunch on Arirang Radio at 11 a.m. KST every day. Welcome back to Culture Crunch. This is our Wednesday segment, Tune In Time. I am here with singer-songwriter Horim, who is about to sing for us live. If you do have any questions for Horim, do let me know in the YouTube comments, by the way. Horim, I think you're just about ready to sing your song for us?
Yeah.
All right, so guys, get ready to shed a tear. This is Horim singing live, Hi Again.
좀 지칠 때 혼자일 때 아무리 넋두리 남겨봐도 듣지 않을 때 아무 곳에 날 던졌지 시간이 해결한다며 그 걸음마저 멈춰져 갈 때 I'll be with you 내게 와 따스히 안아준 너 It will be good 우리 여정은 찬란하겠지 때론 넘어져도 고꾸라져도 그 길 끝에 웃으며 맞이할 테니 다시 또 만나 say goodbye and again 마음 힘들 때 내게 기대 아무리 버티려 해봐도 무너질 때 애써 웃는 내 표정에 가려진 눈물이 보여 그 미소마저 사라져갈 때 I'll be with you 내게 와 따스히 안아준 너 It will be good 우리 여정은 찬란하겠지 때론 넘어져도 고꾸라져도 그 길 끝에 웃으며 맞이할 테니 다시 또 만나 say goodbye and again 다시 또 만나 say goodbye 다시 또 만나 say goodbye and again
Please give me a moment to pick myself up off the floor. 정리에 시간이 좀 필요할 것 같습니다. 너무너무 좋습니다. 진짜 목소리 들을 때마다 느끼는 건데 소울 풍부하시기도 하지만 다른 사람 소울까지 정말 잘 만지시는 것 같아요. 와닿는 것 같아요.
감사한 말씀이네요. 너무 감사합니다.
Such an emotional song.
Yeah. Give me a moment.
Please, I actually need a moment. I was just saying to Horim that, he has so much soul and he's so jolly, but he also has this ability to really touch people's hearts as well, which is not easy at all. Skill set aside, which obviously he has in abundance.
너무 감사합니다.
I hope all our listeners and viewers were comforted as much as I was as well. What a one-of-a-kind performance from Horim. That was his latest single, Hi Again.
Yeah.
Go check out the duet version as well on Horim's channel if you have a moment. All right, so Horim, let's take it all the way back to the beginning, 2015, sorry, you
Yeah.
debuted with the album Black Consumer.
Yeah.
Sounds kind of dark.
Yeah.
How did your journey into music begin?
일단 그 첫 싱글 같은 경우는 제가 이제 그 타코 집에서 일했었는데
Oh, you're working at a taco
예,
restaurant,
예.
okay?
실제로 어떤 그 손님 어떤 에피소드 일이 있어서 제가 이제 조리를 하다가 가사가 생각났던 거예요. 그래가지고 뭔가 좀 소울풀한 거는 좀 맛있는 것과도 되게 잘 어울리잖아요. 그래가지고 뭔가 주제가 괜찮은 것 같아서 뭐 예를 들면 클레임은 할 수 있는데
네.
뭔가 좀 불평불만은 너무 좀 뭐지? 그러니까 그 요구는 할 수 있는데 너무 불평불만을 늘어놓지는 마라. 약간 이런 내용으로 쓴 노래고요. 그래서 어떻게 보면 첫 싱글이 좀 다른 분들하고 좀 다를 수 있는데
네.
제가 항상 좀 리드미컬한 노래라던가 좀 흑인 음악에 대한 또 애정도 되게 있었어가지고
네.
이제 그런 것들을 커리어 동안 뭐 소울, 펑크, 블루스, 재즈, 힙합, R&B 이런 장르별로 멋진 친구들과 이제 하나씩 프로젝트로 해왔던 것 같아요. 그래서 좀 저도 활동을 하고 앨범을 만들면서 더 뭔가 흑인 음악을 어떻게 삶에 같이 가야 되는지 더 좀 느꼈던 것 같고 그래서 그런 느낌들을 같이 쉐어링 해주시는 분들이 너무나 또 감사했고 그리고 특히 또 제 와이프가 또 블랙 뮤직 러버라서 그 제 음악을 듣고 저희 둘이 만나게 된 거라 가지고
오, 네네.
일단은 뭐 그것만으로도 활동을 잘 한 거 아닌가 이런 생각이 또 드네요.
Wow. Okay. So the debut single Black Consumer was inspired by an incident that occurred while Horim was working at a taco restaurant while he was cooking, and you know it happens so that soul music and goes really well with food.
Yeah.
But anyway, I guess it was a bit of a bad experience. The
Yeah,
customer's
yeah.
very demanding.
Yeah.
And, you know, feel free to make requests, but be nice
맞아요.
about it.
Yeah.
So that song was inspired by that. And ever since then, he's been on this journey. He's always loved sort of African-American music, R&B, jazz, soul, funk. And he's always been on this journey to sort of figure out how he can incorporate the love of that kind of music
Yeah.
into his own. And he mentions that his wife is also into very similar styles of music. They met after she heard his wonderful, wonderful voice, right?
맞아요. 뭐, I always think my music as a friend. Finally, I met my real friend,
Oh,
my wife. You know.
Oh, that's so sweet. So he always thought of music as his friend, but through music he met his one true friend, his wife. So sweet. So did you always grow up with a love of singing as well? Did
Yeah.
you learn instruments as a kid?
뭔가 그런 것들 많이 영향이 있는 것 같아요. 너무. 그래서 자연스럽게 하고 있는 것 같아요. 뭔가 여러모로.
그렇군요. He always grew up listening to sort of R&B and soul, as he said, and he always loved singing as a child as well. And interestingly, you also had a stint in Madagascar.
그러니까 물론 제가 그 비주얼이 살다 온 사람 같이 보일 수 있는데 그때 살다 온 건 아니고 제가 이제 또 크리스찬이어서 뭔가 철스팅 이런 이유로 마다가스카르에 이제 한 달 정도 갔었거든요. 근데 그때 이제 뭔가 개로한 그 교회도 가보고 또 거기 있는 분들은 저희랑 되게 다른 형식으로 예배를 드려서
네.
그때 다 같이 노래를 불렀는데 되게 그때 기억에 남는 게 뭔가 It sounds like the song of earth 그런 느낌이 되게 받았어요. 그래가지고 그런 소울이 처음 어떤 흑인 음악에 대한 단순한 애정 같은 게 저한테 좀 스며든 거 아닌가 그런 게 되게 특별한 경험이었죠. 엄청.
Wow. So he ended up going to Madagascar on a church mission. He spent a month there. And while spending a month with the people of Madagascar, he noticed that, they live very different lives. But there was a time when they sang together. And I guess, music's sort of the universal language as well. So he got some inspiration from there. But also the song that they sang, he felt it was a song of the earth.
Yeah.
And that was really when he was like, I have to incorporate sort of African American music and this kind of soul into my own music as well.
맞아요.
What a wonderful experience.
너무 특별한 경험이었어요.
Wow. Okay, so then all these life experiences, I think, culminated in your first full-length album, Metro City, which was released in 2018 and was even nominated for a Korean Music Award. Congratulations.
맞아요. 너무 감사하게도 그런 또 일이 있었죠. 또 예쁘게 봐주신 것 같아요. 제가 해온 작업들을.
I mean, his music has been popular for a reason. It's very soulful and emotional, as we heard and as we've talked about. And he's very grateful for that recognition.
당시에는 또 그 앨범은 저한테는 좀 힙합 앨범으로 만들어진 앨범이에요. 또 제가 이제 뭐 노래를 하는 사람이지만 사실 뭐 힙합 뮤직에서는 그건 랭귀지이기 때문에 그렇게 막 카테고리가 나뉘진 않잖아요. 그래서 제가 또 지금 옷 입은 피처럼 또 힙합 음악을 되게 좋아하기 때문에 그래서 제 식대로 힙합 뮤직을 좀 표현하고 싶었던 게 그 앨범이었어요. 또 실제로 많이 콜라보레이션도 하기도 하고.
Okay. So Metro City is actually something of a hip hop album. He did many collabs for that album, and he's a singer by trade, but he's always had a love of hip hop. Even his style, as we see today, it just screams kind of hip hop.
또 실제로 여기 계신 형은 이제 래퍼 디플로우 형인데요. 이제
디플로우.
지금 또 다른 콜라보레이션 프로젝트를 준비하고 있거든요. 그래서 최근에 같이 촬영하고 찍은 사진이에요.
Oh, okay.
네,
So they've got another collaboration in the works. Deep Flow is a famous rapper here in Korea. And so this picture was taken after a video.
지금 이번 달에
filming.
진행하고 있는데 지금 3번에 걸쳐서 하고 있고 되게 제일 추운 날 같이 찍었었어요. 그래서 프로젝트 이름은 Fake or Fame이라고
Fake or Fame.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's a project that was filmed over 3 sessions. One of the coldest days of the year. But hopefully 고생하신 만큼 뭔가 성과가 좋았으면 좋겠습니다.
감사합니다.
Can't wait for that. 언제쯤 볼 수 있나요?
일단은 이 뭐 트랙을 막 발매를 맞춰서 할 것 같진 않고 비디오가 먼저 완성되면 그것들을 풀고 지금 뭐 kind of neo soul, 힙합 이런 로우파이 송이기 때문에 그런 것들을 좀 스택업해서 앨범으로 발매하지 않을까 싶어요. 그래서 준비하고 있습니다.
Okay, so there's no fixed date yet. They'll probably release this video that's in the making first. There's lots of collaborations going on, sort of neo soul, lo-fi kind of music, and so he's hoping to sort of package it all up so that it's nice and ready for us when it's ready.
Ready.
All right, so Horim, I heard that in 2022 you actually considered quitting music, which is crazy to me. Because, I mean, that voice, why would you let it go to waste? What made you want to step away?
뭐 아까도 저희가 방송 전에 얘기했지만 저희가 또 엄마 아빠잖아요. 그래서 또 이게 뮤지션으로 아빠로 이곳에서 한다는 게 정말 경제적인 문제도 그렇고 실제적으로 이제 수정님도 아시겠지만 음악을 완전 몰입해서 할 수가 없으니까 라이브 서클에서 그래서 뭔가 좀 다 옛날처럼은 할 수 없겠구나. 그리고 실제로 가정을 위해서 또 돈도 벌어야 되니까 그래서 또 그때 당시에 제가 7, 8년 이랬을 때라서 많이 좀 그 뭐라 그러지? 의욕 동기가 많이 좀 떨어지긴 했었던 것 같아요. 네.
Okay, so we were talking before the show. Horim and I actually have sons who are the same age.
Yeah.
They're coming up to 4 this year. Very, very tough period, by the way. 아주 힘듭니다.
Mother face.
Yeah. And so I know only so well how difficult it is to be a parent and a musician at the same time. The time constraints,
Yeah.
first of all, just the energy constraints as well. It takes a lot out of you. And so Horim thought it was very difficult to do music the way he used to. He was
Yeah.
also about 7-8 years into his career.
Yeah.
And so his motivation was sort of on a wane
맞아요.
at that time as well. And so he thought, for those reasons and financial reasons as well, is it best for me to step away? But obviously, you
Finally.
made that decision not to step away.
Yeah, now I'm
thankfully.
here.
Yes, you are here.
Yes.
So what was it that pulled you back to music?
사실은 좀 이제 신앙적인 부분도 있었는데 이 7, 8년 동안 사실 음악 활동을 할 때는 제가 원래는 크리스찬이었지만은 또 그런 썬데이가 없이 그냥 살았어요. 근데 그러다가 뭔가 많은 것들을 놓게 되었을 때 이걸 사실 제가 막 as a gift 그러니까 저는 이걸 선물 받았다고
Of course,
생각해서 뭐
yeah.
목소리에 대한 것도 그렇고 제가 활동하면서 얻게 된 많은 친구들과 많은 에피소드들은 다 선물 받았다는 생각이 들어서 이거는 제가 막 개인적인 어떤 이유로 그만두고 말고 하진 말자. 그리고 또 제 와이프도 저를 as a number one fan 예, 그러면서 아직 그만두지 말라고 조금 더 해보라고. 원래 이런 소울 뮤직은 금방 하고 끝나는 게 아니지 않냐
그쵸.
이렇게 얘기해줘서
Such wise words from his
Yeah.
wife. Wow. Okay, so it was quite a faith-based decision. Horim thinks that his voice, but not only his voice, but just the friends he's gained along the way, his experiences that he's been through on his musical journey, those have all been gifts.
Yeah.
And so he didn't want to just sort of throw that away or make a hasty decision
Yeah.
over that. But more importantly, his wife, who was his number one fan, encouraged him to stay and do what he loved. And she says very wisely, soul music isn't just something you do and then you don't do anymore. It's a long-term thing.
Yeah.
Probably a lifelong thing, right?
Yeah.
So wise. Listen to your wife, guys.
Yeah, that's why I'm a lucky guy, you know.
Very, very lucky indeed. So as a listener then, I'm so glad that you didn't give up. I'm sure your fans and all our Culture Crunch family here
Yeah.
today feel the same way.
Yeah.
So what does music mean to you, Horim?
지금 와서 생각해 보면은 이제 음악은 제가 삶을 살아가는 방식인 것 같아요. 그러니까 단순히 일뿐만인 것이 아니고 이제 어떻게 보면 그 사람의 테이스트 취향이나 정말 단순한 합이나 뭐 잡이 될 수도 있고 대단한 꼴이 그 삶을 살아가는 방식이 될 수 있잖아요. 근데
네.
그런 것들 다 통틀어서 저한테는 음악이 좀 그런 것 같아요.
So to Horim, music's not just a job. It's not just a career. It shows who he is as a person, I think, is what he's trying to get at. It shows his tastes, his hobbies, just the way he's lived his life as well. It really paints a very vivid picture of who he is.
Yeah.
So music is pretty much your whole life at this point, plus, and your family, of course,
Yeah.
as well.
Thank you.
All right. It's very soul satisfying having this
really?
conversation with you
너무
today.
감사합니다.
It's very, very inspiring indeed. But I think it's about time we listen to your second live performance, Horim.
Yeah.
Which song are you going to be singing for us?
두 번째 곡은 굿룹이라는 노래인데요. 어떻게 보면은 아기 아빠가 되고 나서 더 좀 루프가 생긴 것 같아요. 그리고 실제로 저는 비트 룹에다가 많이 좀 메이킹을 하기도 하고
네.
그런 것들이 좀 제 라이프에 굉장히 맞다고 생각이 들어서 지금 반복되는 저의 일상은 굉장히 좋다는 생각이 들어서 그런 것들을 좀 얘기해보고 싶었습니다. 지금 이제 선글라스 모드로 바꿔야겠네.
Oh, I think that means good things. 호림's gonna change into his sunglasses.
모드를
또
바꿨습니다.
느낌이 너무 다르네요. I get a good feeling about this song. So,
Yeah.
Good Loop sort of was inspired by him becoming a father.
Yeah.
Your days become very, very repetitive once
Yeah.
you become a parent. And so Loop sort of plays into that. But Horim also uses a lot of beats in loops in his beats as well. So there's a bit of a word play there.
Yeah.
All right, so Horim, if you could
Okay.
get ready to sing for us one more time. And I feel like this one is going to be a lot more soulful given Horim's sunglasses, his choice to wear sunglasses. I love it, by the way. I love that he has so many different facets to him. Guys, also a quick reminder that all our guests, including our Tune In Time guests, are announced in advance on our Culture Crunch section of the Arirang website. So do check out our weekly schedules. And if you have any questions for our guests that you'd like to send to us in advance so we can ask them on the show, you can do that on the send message board on the Culture Crunch section, or you can email me culturecruncharirang@gmail.com, and we'll try to get those on the show for you. All right, I think Horim looks just about ready
Yeah.
to sing his second live performance for us. Here is Horim singing live, Good Loop.
When I be on this good loop, I can be anything. 삶은 아니라 해도 다 갈 수 있지 anywhere. Paris, New York, and in Jeju. 난 제주 뿌리지 in every way. With my team joy, always enjoy my life on this loop. 삶은 loop, 돌고 돌아가본 loop. 노을 보면 남겠지 always good. 삶은 loop, 돌고 돌아가본 loop. 노을 보면 남겠지 always good. 뭔가 될 줄 알았었지. 가격표를 붙였었지 나에게. 내게 꼭 맞는 mood. I got this loop. I can be the one you want. Everywhere I go, 삶은 loop, 돌고 돌아가본 loop. 노을 보면 남겠지 always good. 삶은 loop, 돌고 돌아가본 loop. 노을 보면 남겠지 always good. 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 I got this rule anyway.
Yeah. I love it. Wow. I feel like I was at a jazz soul bar just rocking out.
뭔가 이 노래는 좀 palm tree를 생각하면 좋을 것
palm
같은
trees.
그런 노래였어요.
It does make me think of palm trees, being in Hawaii perhaps,
Yes.
with a pina colada in my hand.
너무 좋더라고요 피나콜라다.
We can dream on this very snowy day in Seoul. I love that you're so versatile. It's so different to High Again that we listened to earlier.
와, 너무 고마워요.
Making me cry, making me laugh, making me smile. I love it.
Yeah, that's life.
That is life. That's very, very true.
Yeah.
Wise words from Dad Horim. So you have shown us so many different styles already. We
Yeah.
know that you love hip hop, you love soul, you love R&B, jazz.
Yeah.
So many influences I can hear in your music. Is there any other style or genre that you'd like to try in the future?
제가 조금 칠한 비트, 좀 슬로우 템포 이런 걸 좀 굉장히 좋아하는데 뭐 사실은 약간 소울 펑크 중에서도 조금 더 타이트한 그런 비트라는 거, 좀 디스코나 아니면은 아직 아프로 비트도 좋아는 하는데 협업은 많이 했는데 제 싱글로는 아직 내본 적이 없어서 그런 것도 좀 해보고 싶고 또 개인적으로는 지금 좀 가스펠 앨범을 준비하고 있어요.
오케이.
그래가지고 그걸 이제 코로나 동안부터 준비하고 있어서 올해 이제 좀 마무리 작업을 좀 잘 해보려고 하는데 풀랭스 앨범이에요.
오.
그래가지고 이제 잘 기도하면서 준비하고 있습니다.
아, 그렇군요. Wow. So, I mean, even in the genres that he wants to try, there's so much versatility there as well. He very much loves chill beats, but he'd also like to try sort of some tighter soul funk songs, maybe some disco elements. He's also done a lot of sort of Afrobeat collaborations,
Yeah.
but he's never done that for his own releases. So that's something he'd like to try as well. And finally, he's in the process of putting together a full-length gospel album as well. That's going to be so hype. I can't wait for that
Yeah.
in your voice.
Thank
All
you.
right. So is that something we'll be able to see within 2025?
I hope so.
You hope so. Okay.
Yeah,
We hope so too.
That is my goal. I don't know.
We'll have to see. If your son keeps you very busy, we might have to wait a little bit longer, but hopefully not.
Yeah.
All right, Horim, we are almost out of time. It's
Yeah.
been such a pleasure to have you. Would you like to say a quick goodbye and shout out to your
정말
family maybe?
너무 즐거운 시간이었고 항상 이렇게 이곳에 와서 제 노래도 들려드리고 제 이야기를 하는 건 너무 참 즐거운 것 같고 또 다음에도 와서 재밌게 얘기할 수 있게 또 즐거운 어떤 에피소드와 노래를 준비해서 찾아오도록 하겠습니다. 호림이었습니다.
Yeah, he's had a great time today. We've had a great time talking to him. We'll hopefully see you back here in the studio very soon as well. And guys, I'll leave you with one last song to close out our show. It's another one by Horim. It's Dawn. And I'll catch you tomorrow at 11 a.m. for another episode of Culture Crunch. Bye.
모두가 잠든 아침에 귀 기울여 둘러보네 아직은 다 듣지 못해 내 얘기를 볼 수 없게 I just wanna say I just wanna be your good man